Well, so hello guys and welcome to this second lesson of our second part, which is for CSS. So guys, I actually in the last lesson I put it in the description a file, a link which takes you to this file, which is a PDF file that contains some all the CSS3 commands, guys. So here you see so this is the file. Here's the background, the border, the box, the font, the border, etc. So guys, so this is you can actually print that and use it when you're creating your website, guys. I use these tables when creating a website. It helps so much because sometimes you forget the command, so you're still looking and looking, but you will lose so much time. So this table will help you so much. Anyway guys, so for this lesson we are going to learn how formatting text, guys, how to control text and make it look so beautiful. So let's start brackets and begin coding. So we are going to create an HTML5 and an HTML file and a CSS file. Then we will start customizing text. Let's wait a little while until bracket starts. Here it is. So go open a new file, which is United. So I'm going to save as in a new desk in a new folder, and this folder will be for download in the description, guys. I'm going here and I will create this folder, which will be called formatting text, and there will be a winner archive which will be called formatting text.rar, so index.html, and I'm going to create the CSS file which will be called stylesheet.css. CSS, guys. So let's go back here and start coding. So let's begin by type HTML. Here we got the HTML tag, close the heat tag. Whoa. Hold on a sec. The heat tag, then we got the title. In the title I'm going to put formatting text, and I've got the meta corset UGF8. I don't know what's going on with me today, guys, but I'm writing some kind of wrong words. So then I've got the CSS connection, so link rel equals style sheet. Type equals text, CSS href equals style sheet.css, and let me just close the tag and go and open my body tags. Let me go back here and start coding, guys. I'm going to create 3 titles and some paragraphs. So title 1, which will be formatting text. The H2 will be for we will learn how to customize text using CSS. For the H3, welcome. For the paragraph, so let's create the first piece. So there is 2 ways to control the size of the text. Put a BR tag, and then let me go back here, open and last, and for the li I'm going to write the first way is using pixels, like 14 pixels or 40 pixels. So I mean this is first way, and for the second way is relative is using relative value. So the relative value is like xx small, xx small, xx large, etc. guys. So we will learn all these. Then for the second p, the second p, so will be for font family. So for choosing font family, you can get names from the internet. I'm going to put the website for these, and then you get also the text colors. So for text colors, I put a link to colors in all the videos. So I'm going here to my navigator, and I will go to Wikipedia. So english.wikipedia.org slash wiki web colors. So you can see the colors from here, and here I'm going to open an A tag. Then guys, let's customize this. So let's firstly create some IDs. I'm going to h1 ID, which will be biggest title. H2 ID will be the second title. So guys, you better not use caption letters in the IDs and classes. So let's put a class for the H3, why not? Third title. And let's go to the OL ID. Well, let's put a class. Let's let the ID for the LIs. So class first less. I'm not going to put a class for LIs, you will see why, guys. And P class equal P1 this ID. I'm going to put an ID for this equal P2, and just save that. I will also put a class for the link class equals link, and save. Go here, and first I'm going to put a background image for color for the body, background color, and let's choose this color. And then alright, so that's all for body. Let's go and start customizing the h1. So for the h1, the ID is biggest title, so h tag biggest title. So let's guys start by putting our informations together. So this is actually the table of colors. Let's look for web font families, and let's see this website if it can give us a good thing. So yes, so there is beautiful things. Also, I'm going to add for choosing font family, okay, from the internet. I'm going to put a link on internet href. Between these, and take this, put it here, close the a tag here, and there is two ways to add font families. Which are, so I'm going to add last for the ally multi fonts. We'll see what is that, and another ally, just one font family. So I'm going to add a class for this one, class link to save. Go with CSS and go to biggest title. So guys, what about biggest title? Let's just start from the biggest font size to the smaller. So let's start by font size on here, and font size equal 8 points, and let's start by XX large. Guys, this is actually very big. Let's go and see our website. No, formatting tags. Let's well. Let me just just try it like this. What's going on? Let me guys just try something. Yes, it's connected. Actually, the CSS is connected, but it doesn't. It didn't actually read the command, which is this. So let me just go back here. No, guys, it's actually the command is true, but just try something else, which is XX small. Here it is, guys. You see it works. So why didn't it work? Because I put it space. Actually, I think because of that. Anyway, guys, so here's, you see it's so small, guys. It's so small. So let's move on to the second. So let me see if I put it in class or ID. So for the ID we get second. For the second we are going to try the X small font size. Yes, X small. Let's see, it's gonna be just a little bit bigger, guys. You see it's a little bit bigger. What about the welcome, which is the I think it's a class. Yes, class third. So the third, and font size will be medium. So medium is actually not big, not small, it's just medium, guys. There's the load. Here it is. You see it's quite big. Yes. So now let's just start by the first paragraph. So I've called it P. There's no class for this P. So that's the P2, and that's the P3, and this is the P1. So I'm going class. So let's put an ID here equals P1. Let me save and go here and start cutting for the P1, guys. So let me just, and for the P1 font size is X large. It's a little bit bigger than the medium, so X large. You see it's quite big, but it's not bold. Then let's for the P2 and just font size is XX large. It should work now, guys. Oh, it's so big, guys. Look, just it's so big. It looks like a title, guys. Oh, guys, oh, it looks like a title. So now let's pass to the text decoration, guys. So you may be wondering what's the text decoration. For this, guys, I'm going to start for you a Word document to show you the text decoration. Just I don't want to talk about it. I just want you to see it on live, guys. So let's start this document. Well, let's write just some things, guys. Anything. So I'm going to write YouTube is the best. Facebook is #1 worldwide. Twitter is just after Facebook, and Daily Motion is running after YouTube, but he won't make it. Oh no, but it won't make it, trust me, guys. So let's start with this one and let's bold, italic, underlined, online. So guys, this is the text decoration of this text is bold. The text decoration has italic, and this has text decoration is underlined. This is through line, guys. So you see it's actually wrong. So let's go here and start making them on our CSS. So let's start by this text decoration equals italic. Let's save and go to navigator, reload. What's going on? It's actually because the text is so small. So no, guys, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add some piece for the second method of font size and for the text decoration. So let's add another p, and for this p class will be decoration. So this paragraph is in italic and 20 pixels. So I'm going just to copy that, or no, p class equals decoration 1, and this paragraph is in bold and 20 pixels. I'm going to copy that, and is underlined and 20 pixels to is through line 20 pixels. So let's start, sorry, by the first class, which is decoration. And let's start by font size. So we said it's going to be 20 pixels. Here it is. And text decoration. Alright, let's is this one bold, italic, let's reload. I think guys I got something wrong with the comments. How to put HTML text in italic. I like the B and I. So actually, you know what, guys? I just woke up in the morning and I said that I'm going to teach you how to put italic from the CSS, but actually, it doesn't work from the CSS. You have to put the I tag between the words you want them in italic, guys. So here's what you have to do to put the text in italic. So I'm just going to save that and let's put the I tag here, and then guys, let's suppose that you want that this with the I tag and all this using the I tag. And let's go reload the page. You see, guys, this is in italic and this is in italic, only this is was normal. So let's move to go to CSS and move to decoration 1. And let's go to firstly font size and let's put it 20 pixels. Then let's move to text decoration, and I said it's going to be this is bold. Save, go here, reload. It's not bold also. What's going on with me today? Why am I putting this text in HTML and CSS, guys? No, sorry, I'm so sorry, guys. You know, in bold and italic, we can't put them in text decoration. Here's what we can do. This is going to be in bold, so you have to put the B tag and close it by the end of the paragraph. Close the B and you go here and you're gonna see, guys, it's bold. So I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's going on with me today, but I actually woke up so early, so not so I won't be so good in coding today, guys. Anyway, so let's move to decoration 2, text font size. Sorry, font size is 20 pixels and text decoration is underline, and let's go save. So let's go back. Whoa, guys, I don't know why everybody wants to talk to me on Facebook when I'm recording a video. Let's go to decoration 3. Through line. Text decoration is line through, and just save. Oh, I forget. Font size 20 pixels. Just save and reload. Here it is. Well, now let's move. Let's move to what's missing. So font family and font colors. So let's go and B class font family font 1. I'm just going to anything. I'm going to tap anything like Epson. Like actually, when creating templates, we use so much lorem Epson, which don't mean anything. Yes, let's make it a little bit long, and let's go back to P class equals font2 lorem Epson. Yes, exactly. No. Thanks. And class, we've got classes, and let's go to customize these classes. So font 1, and so let's put the font size to 20 pixels. So font family, let's choose beautiful. Let's go here and oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. So actually this gives me the second method, which this font family is actually the mix of all these fonts. So let me go just and change something. So let's mix of fonts, not multi fonts, mix of fonts, or just one font. So guys, if I would like to put one font, I can just choose Arial, which is a beautiful French font. It's actually, everybody knows Arial font. Let's reload, and here it is. You see Arial is actually a font which looks strict and so beautiful. Or guys, let's go to our font2 and put a font mix. So font2, and let's put font family. So for the font family there, I'm going to choose this font, which I'm going to copy it. So guys, you have to copy it as it is and just paste it, then put this sign and go here, reload your page, guys, and you see it's going to work. So guys, please don't you even forget to please guys, copy it just like it is. Don't you even remove anything. Let me put just a font size. Let's make it a little bit bigger, which is 40 pixels. It's big, and just for you guys to see the font. So here it is, guys. You see, I'm going just to reduce a little bit tone of it here. Here it is, guys. So you see, it's actually beautiful. And then, guys, what we've got coloring text. So guys, let's go here, and so I'm going to add a few other paragraphs. P class equals color, and here, so this is a colored paragraph. Its color is h tag, and let's just copy. So guys, this is how you insert a color from these. So guys, you have to in the code you put h tag, and so just go here and choose the hex, not the decimal only. You just have to choose the hex, guys. So actually the hex is from maths, yes, but you don't have to know it for conic. Anyway, let's choose this pink. So just copy it, go to the code, paste it, and delete the spaces here, and then you do. And then, so let's go here and color. I think I called it like this. Yes. And let me go here and just color and h tag, paste. You see, guys, it's all colored now. And let me go just add font size 20 pixels. It's good. Go back here, reload the page. Here it is, guys. You see, it's colored. So now we've got basic colors. So actually, guys, HTML also you can also add basic colors like red, blue, these basic colors. So p class equals color 1. This paragraph is colored to red, which is a basic color, and I'm going to add basic colors are slash, and let me add ls. So red, blue, black. I wish if I don't forget anything. So red, blue, black, green, yellow, and what else? There's only one color missing. There are 6 colors: red, blue, black, green, yellow, and yellow, green. I think it's purple. Yes, it's purple, guys. Let me just hit save and go here to dot color 1 at 41. Color equals red. Yes. There we go. Reload. Here it is, guys. Yes, and guys, we can actually also color UL list and then OL list. So let me see if I put it, both of them are UL. So here's what we have to do, guys. The only thing is the same thing, but to put OL, you can also add a class to lists, you know, guys. So OL just color equals, so let's say purple. Let me reload. Here it is, guys, it's colored. And so for the UL, there's 2 UL lists, so when I tap UL here, both of them will be colored. So color will be I don't know, aqua. Here they are, guys, both of them are in aqua. So guys, this is all for text. So I think that now you know how to control texts. Guys, I forget the most important thing, guys. You know, we learned how to customize text color, and I reviewed of the text, but we didn't know how to put the text in some directions, guys. So let's just go here and create a paragraph which will be text position. So p class equals position, and I mean, let's just alarm epsilon. Please. Actually, guys, the new thing that I'm learning how to create a blog or template. Just I'm going to sell some templates to get some money, guys. So just dot class, I think not class position. Just text align. Yes, so center if you want it to be on center, so you have to use the text align command to, here it is, it's centered. So now, guys, we are going to see how to make text float on an image. So let's add any photo image src equals, go here and find an image to put it. I don't find any image here. Go ahead and see. Let me just put just code dot something, I don't know, breakers will give it to me. Come on, when I needed software to give me something, it didn't. .jpg. Well, thanks, Windows 5. Explorer. Alt is I'm going to put code. Class will be float text, and this image will be inside a P. Class equal float text, and here logarithm, and just like this. So slash p, and let's go to the CSS and float text. So let's firstly start by the image. So actually the class of the image float text. So dot float text, and now guys, you know what, I'm going to remove the space between them, and let's just like this. So for the float text, I'm going to image, so float left, so hide the place here, so hide guys. And for the P float text, I'm just whoa float text with only one key, float text, and float right. Let's see what's going on. You see guys, so that's the image. The image is actually from the left and the text is from the right. So let me just guys go and just make the image a little bit smaller for you to see the difference. When I let me just resize it to 100 to 100. Saved. So guys, I'm going here to do two things. So what's going on? Hold on a second. I think I've inversed some, right? It should be the left. I think I've inversed them, guys. Oh yes, they should be the same. Hold on a second. Right. No. Left. Yes, sure. Here it is, guys. So what if I just remove this float? Let's see what's going to happen. Hold on. So that's the text. Save. So guys, you see actually the thing is happening that the image had took its place to the left as the text took its place to the left as the image didn't. But guys, if I actually also remove this, you will see that the text will be under the image. So here it is, guys. No, what else? No, there's nothing. Why is it like that? Did I put it the image? Yes guys, actually the image should be of the text. But guys, I think that you actually understand the float. So if you want the text to be next to the image, so you have to use the float tag, which and this text is called float text to an image, guys. So guys, that's all for today's lesson. I think guys this lesson wasn't so good, but anyway, I'm so sorry about that. I will redo the lesson later, guys. But if you don't understand anything, so just leave a comment and subscribe and like the video if you like it, dislike the video if you dislike it. And guys, so guys, I just wanted to tell that you see we've got 80 lines of CSS for playing and 44 lines of HTML. So guys, I actually in the end of this course we will do a big project together, which will be a big website. So guys, anyway, see you in the next lesson.